Think it's impossible to enjoy festive treats without feeling guilty or losing track of your health goals? Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can have your holiday cake and enjoy it too. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Deborah. I'm a fitness and wellness expert, and I have been helping women live their healthiest life for almost 2 decades now. And today I am sharing my top strategies for staying healthy during the holiday season without feeling deprived. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enjoy the holiday season guilt-free. The challenge is real. The holiday spread tempts us to indulge, leading to bloating, fatigue. Many of us feel torn between enjoying the holidays and sticking to our goals. Okay, I'm going to dive right into it because I feel like these tips are not going to leave you feeling like, oh my goodness, I can't even enjoy my holidays. I truly think that if you incorporate just these few little things, you're still going to feel amazing and you won't have that need to, I got to start fresh in January. The first one is by far the most effective thing. And when people ask me as a trainer, if I could give people one tip on what to do to get really healthy, it's to drink plenty of water. Usually I recommend about 3 liters of water a day. And if you're able to do that over the holidays, you will feel amazing because not only will it hydrate you so you don't feel as bloated, it will also help keep you full so you don't feel the need to overindulge. If you are at an evening celebration where there are plenty of alcoholic drinks, then what I would recommend, enjoy the alcoholic drinks for sure if that is what you want to do, but alternate every alcoholic drink with a glass of water. Again, you're going to feel better throughout the evening. It's going to help you not indulge as much in both food and alcohol. And you will feel so much better the next morning. My second tip is a post-meal movement. I definitely recommend this time of year going for those evening walks, especially if you're in a neighborhood where there's lots of light displays. It's such a great way to get out, enjoy the season, and by incorporating a short evening walk or even a stroll after a meal will aid in digestion. And it keeps you active and you get to get out and enjoy all the pretty lights. I heard someone refer this once. I wish I knew where it was, but they referred it as their fart walk. And I know that sounds really silly, but if you think about it, what a great way to aid in that digestion. Get out and get moving and just feel much better. So number 3 is prioritizing rest. We are in cold and flu season. And when you get a lot of people together during the holidays, there's hugging, there's closeness, there's hand holding, there's sharing chip bowls or treat bowls. And germs can spread very, very quickly. Your immune system is strongest when you are resting, when you are sleeping. So give yourself a fighting chance by actually getting some rest. Use this time where maybe you don't have to get up early and go to work for a few days. Use that time to try to get a little extra rest. Your body will thank you, your mind will thank you, and you will feel so much better knowing that you've had a couple of good nights' sleep. I know sometimes that's not always possible when there's a lot of family around or if you have young ones that get up early on Christmas morning, but try to set up some plans so that you're able to get more rest and more sleep. Number 4 has to do with nutrition. And no, I am not going to ask you not to eat the crappy stuff. I wish I could say that I would, but if it's there, sometimes it's nice just to relax and enjoy. You've probably heard the saying before, worry more about what you eat between New Year and Christmas than worrying about what you're eating between Christmas and New Year. It's okay to relax and enjoy yourself. My tip for eating as healthy as you can during the holidays is fill yourself up on protein and produce first. So if you're having a meal, make sure there's protein and produce most on your plate and then add the other little things in. When you stick with protein and produce first, you're going to get the nutrients that you need. You're going to fill yourself up on the good stuff, which is hopefully going to prevent you from overindulging, which, as you know, will help you feel better. It's not about not eating the other stuff. It's about filling up on the protein and produce first so that you make those smarter decisions. Number 5, and this is more for your mindset and your mental health. I cannot think of a better time than a few days during the holidays to do a social media detox. And I know the first day might be kind of tough because you're like, oh, what am I missing out on? But I promise you, after that first day, you get into the second day, it's going to feel really good just to step away from all of that. Give it a try. And if you do that, please let me know because I would love to hear how you did. Let's share after the holidays and let each other know how we did. And I have 2 little bonus tips for you. The first one, again, back to nutrition. It is about portion control. And I know we've heard this all before and you're like, I want to enjoy all the foods and I'm not going to cut anything out, and that's okay. But if you're able to, if you want to use a smaller plate, if you want to just take a little bit less than you normally do, that is a great way to stay healthy. And the other one is a little mindset check. A little bit of gratitude for what you have before you eat that meal. Just stop and appreciate what you have. It will slow eating down a little bit and enjoy who you are surrounded by and that food that's in front of you. By making some of these choices, you're going to find yourself savoring the holidays and not just surviving them. Here is the game-changing mindset shift. The holidays aren't about restriction. They're about celebration. View each treat as an experience to savor, not a guilty pleasure. When you change the narrative, you'll realize you can maintain your goals and truly enjoy every moment. So to recap, hydrate, move a little bit after your meals, prioritize rest, start with protein and produce, and consider a quick social media break. Do any of those sound that awful or depriving? I think if you gave this a shot, you would feel truly amazing as we finish off the year. And I will be back to talk about how to commit to your new 2025 goals. Of course, as a personal trainer, I will be discussing that. And of course, I'm doing my own reinvention over the next 100 days. So stay tuned for that. And share in the comments your favorite tip, what you tried and how it went. And I'll see you again soon.